Okay everybody, today's October 14th, 2023. I'm out here at Championsgate in the North Phase. We're going to take a look at this Majesty Palm that's available. 6 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, 3,275 square feet air conditioned. This home should be finished in the next probably 2 to 3 weeks. It's going to have a brick paver driveway, which is not installed yet. Let me pan around so you can see the area around the home. Yeah, all of these homes will be done by November. November is the end of our fiscal year in, so we have, or the end of our fiscal year, so we have some amazing incentives right now to sell and close these homes. So if you're an investor looking for a great opportunity, this is it. So we'll go in. This one has 1 bedroom down and 5 bedrooms upstairs. I'm just going to go on the first floor just basically to show you the view. So you have a full bathroom here, bedroom number 1. They put tile in the main living area here. And the bedrooms have carpet. The laundry's over here. It'll include all the appliances, including the washer and dryer. The garage even has the garage door opener already installed. So yeah, white shaker style cabinets, gray quartz, stainless steel appliances, refrigerator, microwave, oven below, and the dishwasher is built in. You have the dining room and then the family room, and then the view in the back. So all of these homes come with the pool and the spa, heated pool and spa. So here's your view in the back. Very quiet and peaceful today. The weather's nice, finally getting cool. Anyway, let me know what you think. Home site 69.